Lytton Park is known for its top schools, tree-lined streets, and strong sense of community, and this home sits right in the heart of it. With 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a main floor family room, and a 25 by 170 foot lot, this home has all the space for your family to live and grow. The living room is bright and welcoming with a fireplace and bay window flowing into the dining room, and a sunlit family room connects directly to the backyard. Upstairs, you'll find 4 spacious bedrooms and a lower level that adds a media room, workshop, and a convenient side entrance. This is family living at its best. Contact a member of the Lome Irwin team to book your private showing.